We said two lines are said to be parallel if they are of the same distance apart and then they have equal gradients. Yes. I need to zoom it. Now let's check this one. In example number 7, we have perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, they say if I have M1 multiplied by M2, they give us -1. Then the lines are going to be actually perpendicular. Now, example number 7 says, determine whether line segment A, B, and CD are parallel, perpendicular, or needed. So what is it that you have to do as a learner? You're supposed to calculate the gradient of AB. So I'm going to start by saying M of AB is going to be given by Y at B minus Y at A all over X at B minus X at A. Now you can come and check here. What is Y at B? It's equaling to 1 minus open bracket. What is Y at A? Minus 3 all over. What is X at B? It's 2 minus 1. If we type this in your calculator, what do you get? We get 4 all over 3. And then we'll give you 1, 2. Let's check the other one then. What do we have? We have M of CD. What is going to be M of CD? It says you are going to have Y at D minus Y at C all over Y X at D minus X at C. What is Y at D? Minus open bracket minus 1 all over 7 minus open bracket. It's 4. And what you get as your answer? 4 over 3. Now we can clearly see which is the M of AB is equaling to the M of CD. Therefore, it means which line AB is parallel to the line CD because they have what? Equal M. They have equal gradients. Okay, the next one, go to number 2. On number 2, we're going to do exactly the same thing. M of AB is going to be given by Y at B minus Y at A, X at B minus X at A. Now let's check here. Y at B, 1 minus open bracket, Y at A minus 3. All over, it's 2 minus open bracket 1. What you get as your final answer? We get 4. Next, M of CD is going to be given by Y at D minus Y at C all over X at D minus X at C. Y at D, 3 minus open bracket, minus 1, close bracket, 7 minus open bracket, 4. If you type this in your calculator, what you get? It's 4 all over what? All over 3. Now we can clearly see which 4 all over 3 is not equal to 4. So they are not parallel, number 1. We know that one. Okay, let's try which can they be perpendicular. For them to be perpendicular, this is what I need to have. I need to have M1 multiplied by M2. They need to give me what? Minus 1. This is 4 perpendicular lines. 4 perpendicular lines. I'm going to tell them this. So what I'm going to say is that, let me check the left-hand side. Left-hand side, I am going to have M of AB multiplied by the M of CD. Now, what is M of AB? It's 4 multiplied by 4 all over 3, which gives us 16 all over 3, which is not equaling to what? Minus 1. Therefore, these lines, they are needed. They are not perpendicular, nor parallel. So I'm going to say neither. It's fine. Okay, let's try number 3. If we go to number 3, let's check what is it that we have for number 3. What are the coordinates that we have? So we're going to say number 3. We have M of AB again. Y at B minus Y at A. X at B minus X at A. We have 1 minus open bracket minus 3. We have 2 minus 1. What you get as your answer? Huh? You get 4. Okay, other one, we have M of CD. It's Y at D minus Y at C. All over X at D minus X at C. What is Y at D? Minus 1. All over 1 minus open bracket minus 3. You get what? Negative 1 all over 4. Clearly, you can see minus 1 all over 4 and 4, they are not equal. Now, I want you to notice how do I prove this. Look at how do I prove it. I'm telling them with first, for perpendicular lines, if the lines are perpendicular, this is what I would see. That's what I'm telling them. I need to see which M1 multiplied by M2 is going to be equal to what? To minus 1. That's what I'm telling them. These lines are not perpendicular, I'm not sure. But I'm going to tell them if they are perpendicular, this is what I'm going to see. Then I'm going to have my left-hand side. What do you have on your left-hand side? You have M of AB multiplied by the M of CD. And then you come and multiply. You say, okay, what is M of AB? M of AB is 4. Multiplied by M of DC, which is going to be minus 1 all over 4. Which gives you what? Minus 1. Which is equivalent to the right-hand side. The one. I didn't put the left-hand side and the right-hand side at the same time because I'm not assuming with the equal. The one. I first work with the left-hand side only, which is the gradient's own. If the gradients can give me minus 1, then I will make the conclusion which these two things are what? Are perpendicular. Therefore, it means which AB is going to be perpendicular to what? CD. We are officially done with this one.